1,000 Kaiser employees will be on the picket line this morning after they couldn't come to an agreement with Kaiser leadership on a new contract.
And KTVU's Amanda Quintana is at the Kaiser Hospital in Santa Clara right now. You've been out there for a while. I can see the people behind you and I can hear the sounds. Good morning, Amanda.
Oh yeah, there is a lot of energy out here, and there are a few hundred people. Now, in the last hour, we were in San Jose. There was a group here. Now we're here in Santa Clara, a large group here. And this isn't even the whole group that you can see right now because they're marching up and down the sidewalk. They have drums, they have noisemakers, signs. There is a lot of energy here. Now, we did speak to union leaders last night, and they told us they were on standby to see if they would come to an agreement at the last minute, but of course that did not happen. Negotiations are still happening, though. Now, the coalition of Kaiser Permanente unions says this is the largest healthcare worker strike in U.S. history. It's expected to span hundreds of hospitals and facilities across the country, including here in California, Colorado, Washington, Oregon, Maryland, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. Employees say they're protesting unfair labor practices and unsafe staffing levels that end up hurting patients by delaying or denying care. They say the pandemic has worsened working conditions and exacerbated the staffing crisis.
All of us frontline workers kept coming to our executives and letting them know we need these positions backfilled. We need them filled again, but they were not listening to us. This was causing a lot of hardship and burnout for all of us frontline healthcare workers. Now we're taking on the workload of 2 and 3 people. That's not safe.
In a statement early this morning, Kaiser officials said they were still at the bargaining table and have been working through the night to come to an agreement. They said there has been a lot of progress with agreements reached on several proposals late last night. They say they are committed to reaching an agreement, but union members say the staffing shortage issue, which is the main issue, has not been resolved. The coalition of Kaiser unions has been bargaining with Kaiser executives since April, but their contract expired on September 30th. Hundreds of positions are included in this union and will be striking, such as radiology techs, emergency department techs, respiratory therapists, and behavioral health workers. That is just a few. As you can see, they are marching here. And, you know, we've been out this morning watching this, watching people gather. They are really prepared to be here all day. They're prepared to be here for the next 3 days. That's when they say this strike will end in 3 days unless there is an agreement before Saturday. But some of the people I spoke to say they're not too confident that an agreement will be reached in the next 3 days. Live in Santa Clara, Amanda Quintana, KTVU Fox 2 News.